talk about how can you enable end of requests on your Amazon Alexa app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more. So then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, just click here on device settings here. We just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on Alexa on this phone. So then you come to this list here. So then all you have to do, so you just go down here. Then you click here on sounds. So then you come here to end of request. Click in this sign. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you color like this here. That's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.